Well, it wasn't exactly like they were alone, Scar.
Yeah, what are we supposed to do? Kill Mufasa?
Precisely. I know that your powers of retention are sweat as a warthog's backside. But thick as you are, pay attention! My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your vacant expressions. The lights are not all on upstairs, but we're talking kings in successions. Even you can be caught unawares. So prepare for a change of a lifetime. Be prepared for sensational news. A shiny new era is tiptoeing nearer.
And where do we feature?
Just listen to teacher. I know it sounds sordid, but you'll be reported. But at last I am given my dues. And injustice deliciously squared. Be prepared.
Yeah, be prepared. We will be prepared. For what?
For the death of the king.
Why? Is he sick?
No, fool, we're gonna kill him, and Simba too.
Great idea! Who needs a king? No king, no king, la 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 la.
There will be king!
But you said...
I will be king! Stick with me, and you will never go hungry again!
Yeah, alright! Long live the king!
Long live the king! Long live the king! It's great that we will soon be connected.
With the king who'll be all time adored.
Of course, Pitbull Pro, you're expected to take certain duties on board. The future is littered with prizes, and though I'm a main adversary, the point that I must emphasize is you won't get a sleep without me! So prepare for the coup of the century. Be prepared for the murkiest scam. Meticulous planning, Candace is planning. The case of denial is simply why I'll be king undisputed, respected, saluted, and seen for the wonder I am. Yes, my teeth and ambitions are bared. Be prepared.
Yes,
Yes,
okay.
your teeth and ambitions are bared. Be prepared. Ha 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 ha!